Hi everyone. So this class is about the Pinyin, where we will learn the compound finals containing the vowels of all, totaling 2 of them. So please read along with me. 请跟我读 ong ong o o p o po po m o mo mo f o fo fo d ong dong dong d o dou dou t ong tong tong t o tou tou n ong nong nong l ong long long l o lâu lâu g ong công công g o câu câu k ong không không k o khâu khâu h ong hông hông h o hâu hâu z ong zhong zhong z o zhou zhou ch ong冲冲ch o抽抽sh o 收收 r ong rong rong r o row row 子ong 宗宗 ji o 周周起ong 葱葱起o 抽抽喜ong 松松喜o 收收一ong 庸庸一o 优优 So next, we will read several sets of vocabulary words with the added tones. Please read along with me. 收入收入松鼠松鼠荣誉荣誉容易容易仇人仇人猴子猴子走路走路抖擞 抖手，友好，友好，否认，否认。So for these two, so according to the tone change rule, the first one will change into the second tone. So originally, it pronounced as 抖, but here is 抖手. And for this one, originally it pronounced as 友, but now together it pronounced as 友好. Alright. 动力，动力，痛苦，痛苦，共和，共和，肥瘦，肥瘦。So there are two parts to the homework after this video. And the first part is to complete the Pinyin worksheet so as to consolidate the pronunciation of the compound finals containing the vowel of O. And the second part is to open the textbook and refer to the lesson 3, which is the Pinyin pronunciation practice section, and then try to pronounce out the Pinyin there, and also try to understand the meanings of each word based on the pictures. Of course, you can use the embedded audio file in the textbook to check whether the pronunciation is correct or not. So please keep up the good work and see you in the next class. Bye! If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!